Yo, what's really good on my day ones? Welcome back to the channel. So today is a special day. It's a special day because, let me explain. So for the longest time, I've actually been using this Littman right here, stethoscope that you see. I believe this was the Lightweight 2 series. It's done its justice, but for some reason sometimes when I use it, I can't hear certain stenosis and regurg. I don't know if it's just I'm deaf or whatnot. I'm going to retire this. I won't retire it fully, obviously. It'll be in my bag just in case I need it or if I forget my primary stethoscope. Today I am announcing that I will be working with a company called Eko. For those who don't know this company, they are a startup company. They're based out of Berkeley. One of their scientists, doctors, decided to create a stethoscope that would help benefit the medical field. I was able to get my hands on one thanks to Steve over at Eko Devices who I reached out to, and also they definitely made things work. So there will be a discount code down below. I will never sell you anything that I don't believe in, but let me review this product. Not only the unboxing, but I will use this within the next 1 to 2 weeks, and then I will give you my honest, unbiased opinion at the end of this video. For that, right out the box, when you do get it, comes with this right here, this card, and it reads, "Thank you for choosing Eko and welcome to the community of clinicians using Eko to advance care." And I'm the head of customer success here at Eko. I'm happy to answer any questions you may have as you get started. So that's what it is right here. And one thing that I wanted to bring up is they do have an app for it. It's on both the Apple and the Google Play Store. And the awesome thing about this device is you could actually record sound. So definitely a great teaching tool. Alright, let's get to it. Let's go ahead and unbox this stethoscope. Alright guys, here we have the Eko box itself. Electronic stethoscope. Alright, so it has a quick getting started. It says here on the right of it, on off toggle. You got your micro USB charging and you have your notification LED. These are just basically instructions to the device. Here we have our stethoscope. Ooh-wee, that's beautiful. A couple accessories that it comes with really quick. It comes with a bell, which you could replace that Eko right there, and some extra earbuds. And you have your charging devices here. That's a pretty thick micro USB charging, AC charging device. I'll get to that later. But here we have the stethoscope itself. This has some really, actually has pretty good weight around to it. Oh, it has a volume rocker too. That's the cool thing, is it actually has a volume rocker. And then here is where you press it to turn on. Oh, that's dope. Right here is where your charging port is. As soon as you turn it on, sorry, I'm using my other hand to hold my light, so sorry I don't have a proper light right now. As soon as you turn it on, it shows a blue, and then right there. So you do have a blue LED that notifies you that the device is on. So I'm going to test this for the next couple weeks to come, and I will give you my unbiased review. So sit tight. I'll see you in a couple seconds for you, a couple weeks from me. Alright guys, so something to note really quick. I used this for one night already, and as much as I really do love this stethoscope, it's amplified the volume of the heartbeats so much that I could actually differentiate, you know, S3, S4 clicks, or S1, S2, regurges, murmurs, stenosis. The thing with this, that one of the cons so far about this is just it starts to weigh this way the more that it kind of sits on your neck. But for me, it doesn't bother me that much, but sometimes it does this. Now, since we do assessments every 4 hours, it really doesn't bother me that sometimes I do take it off and I just put it in my backpack. But I think that's something to note, is that it does lean over to one side a little bit more than the other. So if you do plan on investing on this, this is definitely something that you have to take note of. I think that's the only thing that I've noticed so far that was negative about it. But besides that, this instrument, very helpful in actually listening to hearts, lungs, abdomen, you name it. I love it so far. Alright guys, so after having spent some time with this device, the Eko device, there's a couple things I wanted to show you which is pretty cool on this Eko device. To basically start off with, they have this very amazing feat with this stethoscope, and it's actually the application that you are able to connect it to, and they do have like their own version of their EMR, which allows you to record you know, heart sounds, lung sounds, or anything, you know, adventitious sounds, and you could use it for further reference. Now I find this a really great teaching tool. You're able to do a lot more with it than you think than a regular stethoscope. Now this is HIPAA approved, which is a great deal. For the most part, you've got another stethoscope, which I shall not name the brand, which isn't HIPAA approved. Now here, we're gonna go ahead and turn it on. So the moment you turn it on, you're going to see that it's flashing blue right here. So now all we have to really do is turn on the Eko app. It's gonna ask for my pin, and then once your pin's on, you should already be connected. You can see basically the wavelength of your heartbeat. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this on, and we'll listen to some sounds. Okay, so it looks like right now I took a look into a couple issues to see whether or not I was the only one experiencing the same issue. It keeps saying weak Bluetooth connection, and there is no way that there's a weak Bluetooth connection because they are right beside each other. I mean, it's showing a live feed of what the sound that's coming in, but every time I want to record something, it would literally say connection just interrupted. Yeah, I keep trying to record, but I'm having so much technical difficulties with this that I can't record anything. And there's a little bit of lag on the display, as you can see. And I will speak with the Eko team to let them know that this is happening because it's not recording. Alright, so I've taken a couple weeks to actually use this in the clinic setting, and I have to say I am quite impressed, especially with my post-op patients who are fresh out of surgery, post-op day 1s, post-op day 2s. You usually hear it day of post-op and also post-op day 1, post-op day 2, but it usually gradually resides, and that's a pericardial friction rub. Besides that, there's other things that you could pick up, especially if they had AVR or MVR. Usually you could hear it on patients whom have had like AVR, MVR mechanical valve replacements, and it's a very distinct click that you could hear. I don't know if you guys could hear, but my roommate's doing laundry right now. All I have to say is I'm really impressed with this stethoscope. It's really fun to use. Another issue that I had with it, as I mentioned earlier, was it starts to do this right here. Like you put like this at the beginning of the shift, but throughout the shift it starts to lean forward. But that's something that could be easily fixed if you have like something that could weigh it down on this side. But for me, as I mentioned earlier, it doesn't bother me as much. Now the other thing I wanted to touch upon, and it's slightly frustrating, is the fact that it says on the latest update on the Eko app is that the Bluetooth connection has been fixed, but I have been having major tremendous issues with this, and it's just trying to record. As you can see from the footage earlier, I've been trying time and time again to try to get something on board, and it keeps saying this right here, weak Bluetooth connection. And it's something that could probably be easily fixed. It's just really frustrating to have to deal with it because I wanted to put some audio in this video for you guys to actually hear my own heart, and trust me when I say I did listen to my own heart with this, and thank God I didn't hear any S3 or S4. For those who are wondering, specifically S3 means heart failure. Actually born with a murmur, but you know, that was resided when I was a kid, so I don't hear the murmur, which doesn't warrant the fact that I might need a AVR or MVR down the line. But besides that, I have to give this product a 4/5. It would have gotten higher if there was a little bit of balance right here, but again, that doesn't bother me much. It can be easily fixed. And the other issue that I had with it was just the app. It's really frustrating when I wanted to record something. You know, as future educators in nursing in the medical field, we need this tool to further educate our practitioners for the future. I was trying to get a solid you know, S1, S2 so you guys could hear it, but I kept getting issues with the recording. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash the thumbs up button. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe. I will be doing a follow-up video on how to listen to heart sounds. I will be following up with a video on how to use your stethoscope and how to listen to heart sounds. And besides that, hope you guys are doing great. Don't forget to check out these other videos that I have to offer. I'll see you guys in the next video. Cheers.